Boost your health naturally. Effective tips for cold relief. When you're down with a cold or allergies, the congestion, coughing, and sneezing can be unbearable. Many turn to over-the-counter medicines, but these often come with side effects. Sleep, essential for healing, is frequently disrupted. A natural remedy worth considering is Vicks VapoRub, famous for its soothing effects thanks to 3 key ingredients: camphor, eucalyptus, and menthol. Benefits of Vicks VapoRub. Cough suppression. All 3 ingredients help to calm coughs. Pain relief. Camphor and menthol act as topical analgesics, easing muscle and joint pain. Breathing easier. Eucalyptus helps with bronchodilation, widening airways for better airflow and reducing phlegm and mucus. For best results, try inhaling Vicks VapoRub or applying it to your chest or under your feet. This stimulates sensory areas that communicate with the medulla oblongata in the brain, helping to calm the cough reflex. Experiment with applying camphor, menthol, or eucalyptus under your toes before bed to see a noticeable improvement in your symptoms and sleep quality. Remember, the brain and spinal cord control everything in the body, so stimulating these sensory areas can have powerful effects. Share these natural tips with friends and family, and enjoy better health and restful nights.